Hi, my name's Glenn McAlpin. I'm an instructor with Northwest College, and I'm your main contact person for the Foundations for Learning program. I'm also your contact for the foundational numeracy and literacy materials that are found on the KELP website. Should you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact me either through my email or my cell phone at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. The initial numeracy assessment. This assessment is a key component for the foundational numeracy materials designed for KELPs and can also be used for the Northwest College Foundations for Learning program. These materials are found on the KELP portal under the Resources tab, Foundational Numeracy. The assessment materials include an assessment, an answer bubble sheet, and an answer key with placement guide. To locate the materials on the KELP portal, first sign in. Select the Resources tab. In the search bar, type in Foundational Numeracy, and the materials will both appear. These materials are in PDF format, so they can be downloaded to your computer for easy access and future use. Prior to the assessment, you can print off as many copies as you will need. You can print off more answer sheets than assessments, as you may want to use the assessment for multiple learners. Try to provide a quiet place for your clients, or you can provide earplugs if you don't have one. Provide a pencil or pen and scrap paper. No calculator or cell phone should be permitted. Allow approximately 1 hour to complete, and tell the learner to complete what they are able to and not to guess if they don't understand what the question is asking. Even if the learner can only complete the first 10 questions, it still gives you a basis for placement. When the learner has completed the assessment, you can score it easily by using the answer key. There's a guide at the bottom to assist with placement. When marking the assessment, write the number correct at the bottom of each column. Use the placement guide to determine a good starting point for your learner. Once you've marked it, look through the assessment with your learner and explain to them what they can do and where they need improvement. If column 1 is less than 7, the learner is not ready for the numeracy materials. However, you could use the decimal module as a starting point and review whole numbers as you work with your learner in each concept. If column 1 is greater than or equal to 7, the learner is ready for the numeracy materials. Again, you'll want to look through and see where the learner needs to improve. They may not need to do all modules, they may only need to do portions of them. You may choose to have the learner do the decimal module, as each module can be taught in either order. I like to use the decimal module first, as when you get to the fraction module, the learners will understand how much easier fractions are to work with. If most columns are greater than or equal to 7, the learner is ready for a GED prep program. However, you still may want to go through each section and determine whether the learner should do a little bit of review using the modules prior to entering into a GED prep course. Should you have questions or need any assistance, please let me know. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.